Still tracking project risks manually in Excel? When updates are scattered and ownership is unclear, it becomes harder to act on risks at the right time. This risk management page is part of my Power BI Project Management Dashboard bundle, which includes overview, timeline, project details, and risk management pages. This Power BI Risk Management Dashboard gives you a clean, ready-to-use view of your project risk status, severity, ownership, and mitigation actions. At the top, the KPI cards give you a quick summary of your overall risk position. You can instantly see the total number of risks, active risks, high risks, closed risks, and the top risk owner. The risk status overview shows open, in progress, and closed risks, grouped by severity. You can quickly see how many active risks are high, medium, or low priority, so your team can focus on the most critical items first. The top risk exposure projects chart helps you identify which projects carry the highest number of active risks. The dashboard also includes a detailed risk register table. Here, you can track each risk with its risk ID, description, level, status, owner, mitigation plan, and strategy. By default, this risk page shows the portfolio level view across all projects. With the slicers, you can filter by project name, risk level, risk status, risk owner, or year. Each click updates the full dashboard instantly, helping you move from portfolio level visibility to the exact risk details you need. And with the Reset button, you can clear all filters and return to the full portfolio view in one click. You can download the full Risk Management Dashboard template using the links in the description. You can also watch the overview and timeline videos on my channel for the complete Project Management Dashboard walkthrough. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and check out my other Power BI Dashboard templates.